Conestoga's desk systems. It's in the home office and desk cabinet section of the website. They're really slick. They're very nice and suited for desk height applications. It's not just a retrofitted kitchen cabinet like a lot of the stock box companies are using for desks. It's an actual desk cabinet. They're 29.5 high, and that's the way they come. And they have an automatic flush toe. There's no toe notch like you'd have in a kitchen cabinet, and that toe is always 2.5 inches high. You can get them in different depths. The standard is 24 deep, but if you want to do something shallower, 21 or 18 or whatever, we can do that. Be aware of this toe thing and how that could affect you if you're running up against tall cabinets. If you go to the home office entertainment center section of the catalog, you'll notice the tall cabinets don't have this small flush toe. They've got a tall flush toe. So your doors on the lower section of a tall cabinet are going to stop 4 inches off the floor, and then if you have one right next to this, it's going to drop down to this height, where the drawer or door or whatever it is going to be about 1 3/4 inches off the ground. It can look a little weird if you're not used to that, and so you might want to design around that. One way to do that is use a custom height base cabinet. We can go down to 31.5 with custom height base cabinets, or even lower if need be, and try to design something where it has a larger toe to match up with your tall cabinets. What you have to be aware of is you're going to lose storage space. The reason Conestoga is doing this is they're trying to maximize the amount of interior space you have available to you for storage. So it creates some design intricacies that we have to get around with you, but be aware of that tall cabinet integration with these bases. We have all sorts of different cabinets that go with this. It's pencil drawers, there's letter file slots for your organizers and so forth. There's, the list goes on, but you can really create a very, very high-end, very nice desk for either a home office or even your business that looks just tremendous with these kind of cabinets.